Hey everybody, this is Praxis, and in this video I have a tale of two trees. One tree that could save your life and one tree that could kill you. And right here in front of me is the tree that could save your life. This is a birch tree, and you can see all over the surface here there's all this papery bark, and this is wonderful for starting fires. It has a natural kind of wax in it, and it lights right up. Now, if you ever need to utilize this or want to utilize this, that's great. It's a great resource to have, but when you collect it, you want to be very cautious about how you collect it. You want to just kind of take the papery stuff right off the surface, the stuff that's begging to be taken off, that just kind of peels right off. What you don't want to do is to grab it and pull it off in huge sheets. The bark on the surface is dead, but it's covering up the living bark, and if you start pulling off the living bark underneath, you're going to kill the tree, and you'll turn the tree into what's behind me, which is the kind of tree that could kill you, which is a dead standing tree. Some people call these man killers. It's very sexist. It could totally kill a woman too. But this tree right here is a dead tree that has some solid wood on the inside, but all the surface here is just this fluff. This thing could come down at any moment and kill me, which is why I'm going to take a few steps away from it. I'm really not totally safe here either. The whole thing, it's hanging over me. It could collapse down on me. If you ever see a tree like this, you don't want to be setting up a camp near it, putting a tent or anything like that, because in the middle of the night, it gets breezy, one of these could very easily come down. So there are lots of trees, lots of assets in nature. Some can save your life, some can kill you, and if you know the difference between the two, you're going to have a really great time outdoors. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos all the time, and if you'd like to support this channel, you can do so either through Patreon or PayPal.